Hello my friends and welcome to the Jewelry Channel. I have something a bit surprising today. Let's see what's inside. Quite a large package we have today. Sorry, I didn't mean to take on the Yoda persona. Ooh. Let's see, my friends. What do we have today? Oh, pretty. This is a white sapphire. I know, quite surprising, right? Usually when we think of sapphires, we think deep blue. Oh, and how about like that? But no, we're going with a white sapphire, which, my goodness, has like just the slightest touch of blue to it. I don't know if you can see that, but up against the white background, it looks rather like a pale blue. Let's see. Maybe it will fit. And it does! Look at that beauty! Oh, that is quite beautiful. We've got 14 karat white gold, a solitaire setting with a 6mm sapphire set. Like I said, I was expecting more of a white, but that to me looks like a pale blue. Quite pretty indeed. Of course, most of you probably know that 6.5 round brilliant cut would equal a total carat. So this one we can call 0.9-ish. Haven't put my micrometer on it yet, but I'm thinking about a 0.9 carat total weight for this gorgeous sapphire. Well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and please keep watch for my next unboxing of pretties.